Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'll be cooking Mangalorean fish fry. This recipe is little different and it's very tasty. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's start cooking. Let's check out the ingredients. I've taken 5 Kashmiri chillies. This is for the color. And 5 red chillies, half an inch of ginger, 8 garlic cloves, some salt, 8 to 10 curry leaves, a small lemon sized tamarind and 2 tablespoons of rice. Add all these ingredients into a pan, add a cup of water and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. It's been 5 minutes now. Turn off the flame, let it cool down completely, grind into a fine paste. Use this water to grind, do not discard it. I've ground this into a smooth paste. Now let's add a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Give it a nice mix. You can store in the refrigerator and it will stay good for 3 to 4 weeks. This is 1 kilo sardines, washed, cleaned and pat dried. Make few slits on the fish so that the spice and the salt get inside the fish. Make sure to apply the paste each and every portion of the fish. Leave it for about 30 minutes to marinate. It's been marinating for 30 minutes. Let's coat all the fishes in the breadcrumbs and set it aside. If breadcrumbs is not available, take few bread slices, powder it in the mixie and use it. Heat some coconut oil for frying. Bring the flame to medium heat. Carefully drop in the fishes one by one. Do not turn it immediately. The paste which we apply on the fish will come out. Let it fry one side for 2 to 3 minutes. I just turned the fishes on the other side. Let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Do try this recipe. The paste is really good. Share your feedback about the recipe in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.